Hello everybody and welcome to Crypto with Jack. So this channel will just be on all things crypto, from news to big bumps or future bumps in the market, I think, and just getting more information out there for crypto and just having another perspective. So if you've already got some crypto channels out there that you follow, this will be a good one to add as well. I try to compile all the information I get and I'll try and put it on this channel. I'm not going to try, I will put it on this channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you how I got myself set up with cryptocurrency and some ways to get into it ASAP. There is a lot of money to be made in cryptocurrency currently, since it's just starting to take off, and there's big predictions to be made in the next 3 years. Some that if you got in right now, the predictions would be saying that you could make 30 times your money in 3 years safely. So that's just safely. People make 100-time returns, which means $1 turns into $100 overnight with cryptocurrency. So the more information you have, the better. And I'm just going to try and show you guys some new perspectives on the market and everything. So I hope you enjoy. This is going to be a video for people who are completely got no idea of the crypto market, and they might have a little background in stocks. So if you're a bit ahead of the game, I recommend watching some of my other videos because they will be more based on predictions and some insight and everything like that. So let's get straight into it. So your default website will be Coinmarketcap.com. This just shows you all of the coins. Market cap is how much money is in them right now. The price is how much you'd buy one coin for. Volume is how much has been traded in dollars over the last 24 hours, and that's how many of the coin there is. That's the price. There's a lot of coins, so I'm going to try and cover as many as I can. A lot of these coins are predicted to go crazy in the next year, so that's what we'll get into. So this is the default website. This is a very good website. It's got a lot of information on it. Like if you click on it, we'll see a bunch of information on it. Social, tweeting, the markets that it's being sold on, and it is sold on a lot of markets. So this is just Bitcoin, and if you're not completely up to date with Bitcoin and know what it is, I recommend watching a couple videos before you get in. There's a good documentary by CNN, I think. I'm not sure. Anyway, I'll link it in the description, but that's a good video to watch. So this is a good website, but I prefer using this website called Coincheckup, which has more information on it, and it's got a nicer look to it. So you can use either one. Just have a look at each of them and get some analysis on them. So you've got analysis. These are predictions for what they are. So this is a good website if you found a thing, you want to have a look at it, check the predictions, and then go ahead and maybe put some money into it. So I'll show you guys about this. So if you just want a safe investment, you just want to get some Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you guys how to buy Bitcoin now. Now I am in Australia, so this really appealed to me. This is it's a very new application to the commercial market, as much as I know, and it pretty much turns Bitcoin into a very easy to use application. So this has got a nice website, but it lets you use Bitcoin pretty much as FPOS. So you can load up your account with cash, and then you can turn that cash into Bitcoin, and then you can use CoinJar swipe at any retailer in Australia. So this is Australia. There's other ones. I think it's also in a couple in other countries as well, US, England, and I don't know what that is, but it's a good if you want to get into just spending Bitcoin. But if you want to hold Bitcoin, it's also pretty good because here it will go up. So as the price of Bitcoin goes up, your money is worth more and everything. So this is the first option you can use. So you'll just have to verify yourself by driver's license and another piece of information, but it doesn't take long. It took me about 5 days to get set up on the account and start trading, and that's pretty good for an exchange. So this is one I recommend. I use this to buy Bitcoin over the other exchanges, and I will have a referral code in the description if you want to get set up on this, because this is quite a good website. All right, on the next one, Coinbase. Coinbase is great. Coinbase, everyone loves Coinbase. It's one of the most popular exchanges that there are out of them all, and you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin sure that's the three. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So they're another 2 cryptocurrencies which can make you money as well. But you shouldn't be too interested in the money making as much as the idea behind them. But you will make a nice amount of money from investing in them. But yeah, everything. This is a very trusted exchange, and it's got lower rates than CoinJar. But I'm happy to have a little bit of rates for CoinJar. But the rates are lower on Coinbase, and other than that, it's a very good thing. And I'll also have a referral code in the description if you want to get in Coinbase. If you are interested in diversifying yourself a bit, so if you're into the stock market, that just means buying more than one stock, essentially. So if one goes down, one goes up, you're even. Ethereum and Litecoin. So I would recommend, if you're not just going to buy Bitcoin and then hold it forever, you might want to use CoinJar because it only does Bitcoin. If you want to buy some stuff and actively trade it, you may want to do more than Coinbase, but you can get away with doing it on Coinbase. So Coinbase is a good exchange as well, so keep that in mind when we go on. So on to the next one. The next exchange is Kraken, which is also quite successful and trusted exchange. Now Kraken does more than just these 3. It does all of these. So if you want to get into altcoin trading, which alternate coins is just coins that aren't Bitcoin, you want to get into Kraken. And there's a lot. So essentially, altcoins are just like a normal stock market where you can change around everything. So you want to use Kraken if you want to do that, and that's what I'm into. I will spend a lot of this channel on altcoins and not as much Bitcoin, but the altcoins you will want to use Kraken or Poloniex or Bittrex, but I'm logged in, so hold on. So with Bittrex, Bittrex is it's what I use for my altcoin trading. It has very low commission rates, which means when you are trading, they will not take a lot of that when you're trading. So that's good in that case. There are, with Kraken, you can do the same thing as with Bittrex. So with Poloniex, these 3 are pretty much in the same area. Some of them might have more coins than the others, but I recommend either, if you want to get into altcoin trading, you want to get either Kraken, Bittrex, or Poloniex. And I would recommend Bittrex. There are Bitfinex as well. Bitfinex. This is also another one. It's quite popular. Yep. This is also, you can use this. See, these are all the different coins, and we'll get into them as we go on. But there are other ones you can have a look at. I'd recommend researching some of the other ones if you are not into these. But Bittrex, I'll show you around there right now. So you're getting a bit of VIP treatment for Bittrex. I don't have any accounts in Poloniex, Kraken, or Bitfinex. I've only got experience in Bittrex, but I haven't had any bad experiences. That's why I've only stuck with Bittrex. It's easy to get signed up. You don't have to do any verification to start trading. You just have to put money in. So what I do is I buy my Bitcoin here on CoinJar, and then I send it over to here, which is a very easy process. It's not hard. I will do a video on Bittrex soon, and I'll guide everyone through Bittrex. But this is nice. It's a great exchange. It's very trusted. So if we just have a look at stocks. So this is just like a stock market. This is a coin called Grossel Coin. You've got your graph. So this is all the prices. If you wanted to buy some Grossel Coin, you can go ahead and buy it and sell it, and I'll run everyone through this when I do a video on Bittrex on how to buy and trade altcoins. But this is essentially Bittrex. It's as fancy as it gets, really. And yeah, as I said, I will do a video and I'll show everyone around the markets and everything. But this is where I'll be doing most of my predictions, is through the Bittrex market. So if you want to get on board, click the link in the description and get on Bittrex. It's great, and it's not doesn't take long to get into, so Bittrex is great. Now, I've talked a lot about ways to buy the currencies, but to actually watch the currencies, I've got a couple apps on my phone which will just blow up my phone whenever a stock is up or down, a cryptocurrency. But this is a nice platform, a free platform which you can use to watch stocks or have a nice, what's it called? Graph. Yeah, graph. So it's actually on normal stocks too, but we'll have a look at this, the Bitcoin. We'll have a look at the LISC, which is a coin I'm very fond of. But this is a nice application you can use, a web application which shows you the price of any cryptocurrency, and it's very professional. So there's no subscription or anything. This is very high end for traders, so I recommend using this to identify new stocks. I call them stocks, I mean cryptocurrency, but to identify the new ones and etc. So this is a nice application for identifying and predicting stocks. So I'll use this a lot in the upcoming videos for stocks. My next area is to just keep informed with Bitcoin. Now, I'll try and keep you guys as informed as I can, but it's nice to just go and read. They're quite funny as well. Just go ahead and look at the Reddits for the coins that you are on. Like, I've got a couple different ones, and I'll just check on the code. And to be on the Twitters too. So if you find the Bitcoin core Twitter, everything, just keep in the loop of all your coins. And don't get scared when bad news comes out. I will show you guys ways to deal with a stock going down and such as that. But it's good to keep in the loop with the community. So it's got quite a good community. It's quite active too, and you can just submit anything and you'll get a nice amount of replies and Bitcoin love. We're all about the love in the community. So that will sum up today's video. This is just to get kind of the channel started and have something up. I hope this did help people. There's a lot of videos out there on cryptocurrency, and the market is just starting. Like, the community is tiny in comparison to what it can be. So I say get in it now and start investing. Get ready and look at all this. Look at all these gains. 14% gains. That's one day, 24 hours. All these gains. Let's have a look at the highest one today. 327% gains. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. See, there's a lot of circulation going on. So it's great because you can profit just from having basic information that people haven't gotten yet, and that's what this channel will try and aim at. So I hope everyone has a good day. If you enjoyed this information and would like to keep informed, please subscribe for the cryptocurrency information, and have a lovely day. Thanks for watching.